In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method to Coinbase. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Coinbase application like you normally would. And then you'll notice at the very top, we'll get the option that says add payment method. This should automatically start here if you haven't yet added a payment method on Coinbase. So basically all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. And over here, we have a bunch of different options that we could utilize. So we can either use a bank account, a debit card, PayPal, wire transfer, or even a gift card. So for this video, I'm going to be using my debit card like so. So my screen is black at the moment, and because I selected the debit card, is going to ask me to put in the number, the expiration date, and stuff like that. So just make sure you go ahead and follow the instructions. It might be slightly different depending on what you picked, but basically you just got to enter in all of the information, and you might need to do some verification while you do this process, but it will be worth it. And then once you're done with that, all you want to do is go ahead and press on done. And just like that, you have now added a payment method to Coinbase. At any point in time, you guys can go ahead and remove this payment method or include another one. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.